One of the most exciting things I ever received in the mail was this t-shirt with my name on it. I was so excited. So this company actually sent me a t-shirt with my name on it. What? In fact, I'm gonna wear it right now. Like, this has been forever. Okay, so this might just be a silly t-shirt, but the idea that a company actually took the time and sent me such a personal one-on-one message, I thought was fascinating. And this is something you can also apply in video. Personalized one-on-one messages. And I really think that's where it's heading in video. And it might sound strange to you because video is often seen as something that is quite complicated. It's a process. A lot of people are involved. And yes, there will always be the big productions where it's really important that your message, the company, whatever you stand for, is put in a wonderfully produced video. But in a lot of instances, people love to receive personal messages as a customer representative, as someone who does sales. When your question is answered personally in a video addressed to you, that, I think, is the future. I first realized this about 2 years ago when I worked with a Dutch startup who were trying pharmaceuticals. They were trying to help them get in touch with doctors, really busy doctors with full email inboxes. And so what they did is they created personal video messages where they actually named the doctors by name, really got to know them through personal videos. And I thought that was genius. Personal one-to-one video instead of one-to-many. It's no wonder that, for example, HubSpot is now also integrating this idea. One-on-one video for sales teams, customer support teams, marketing teams, because adding a personalized video to an email can really help you to easily answer questions, share actions, and track whether that video was actually opened and watched. And that is very helpful in tracking effectiveness and, of course, in delighting the person who receives it. Personalized video can really be used in 3 ways: for sales team deals closing, for customer service teams solving problems, and for marketers capturing an audience's attention. If you'd like to get started with personalized video, I've put a link with a lot more about HubSpot video in the description. So how are you integrating one-to-one video to your customers, your clients, companies you're working with? Have you thought about this? I personally do a lot of video trainings and coaching, and I often use WhatsApp to send people personal video messages, and it's really like I'm doing now. This is a smartphone I'm shooting on, super simple. It only takes me a few minutes, and I send them a personal video message. It adds a lot of character. It shows people that you are really, truly involved. You care about them. It shows them, you know, their name. Things like that really make it very personal. I would love to hear your thoughts. Definitely follow me if you aren't following me already for more video tips, and see you in the next video. Bye.